It is raining cats and dogs, and it's windy. Do you think it's 22 miles per hour winds? That's what it says on my weather thing.
I don't know.
But it's windy. Look at that. Hi, babe. How are you? Ooh, look at you! I haven't seen you wear this in a while.
Wear what in a while?
Your jacket,
I
and
like
then
this jacket. That's why.
and then your sabagos. Your sabagos. Well, he couldn't wear his Roshis.
I could have.
Yeah, but then it would have gotten all wet. And then his socks would have gotten all wet, and I think I got some water on my glasses. Oh yeah, I have a surprise too. I have
Sounds
a
like
surprise.
food.
We have sotanghon, fried milkfish and brown rice, a sauce, and an egg. Do you want an egg?
Yeah.
Okay. Lunch is served. So we cut the edge first. Because we don't want that part. Star fruit. Isn't it cute?
Are you asking me?
Yes.
Yes.
So cute.
From Hawaii.
Super kawaii. Oh yeah. Yet you didn't bring back any from Hawaii.
Yeah, yeah. No.
See, look. Isn't that great?
Mm-hmm. That's
Amazing.
good.
No, just salt.
No.
Bagoong. I've never had it with bagoong.
Pwede rin yan.
Bagoong is fish or shrimp paste. Fermented.
Sorry.
Now you have this with bagoong?
Ano? Asin.
See?
Pwede.
No. Asin lang yan.
That is... There we go. Star fruit!
Asin lang.
I'm so excited. Sleepy bear. Can you guys hear that wind? It's crazy out. It's crazy. It's crazy. The wind is howling. I feel like I'm in Hogwarts. It is later on in the day. It is later on in the day. It's 6:25 actually. And we just got out of the house because we're gonna go get some cookies from the Cravery. We're gonna go get some cookies from the Cravery and then have a dinner or a snack at Gaglione's.
Like the snack.
We're not sure, but we're gonna do that and get some Better Buzz after, and then head home because it's a rainy evening in San Diego, a stormy evening in San Diego, and when that happens, lots of accidents happen because people don't know what to do with themselves when water falls.
True story.
Right, babe? Yeah, and there's been a drought in San Diego, so it's much needed, but there's also lots of accidents and floodings on the streets, so roads are closed, and yeah. What did we order, babe?
The new pizza steak.
What else?
Garlic cheese fries.
And then we got some pepperoncinis and jalapenos to put on it. So this is Gaglione's in Point Loma. Go Scarlet!
Yes, we did.
This is our pizza cheesesteak. We are getting our coffees.
Thank you.
Coffee Friday. What did we get, love?
Best drink ever.
Yay.
Pilipina si Soli at saka si...
Here,
Ano yan?
the best drink ever coffee.
Yeah, right.
Try it.
Nasa Pilipinas yung magkapatid. Ano pa daw siya, we, John?
Oh yeah,
John?
What? Oh yeah, what?
it's good.
John daw
It's
sila.
good?
Yeah.
Is it the best drink ever?
No, not the best, but it's good.
No, it has it has 2 shots of espresso. Here, it's yours.
Ang sarap
No,
nga.
kala ko sa inyo yan.
No, we got a
Oh,
tall one
man.
so you and Ryan can have.
That's good.
Ang sarap.
Tomo.
Best drink ever. Tatay liked it.
So you're gonna drink
He's like, oh yeah.
We got sprinkles. We got
birthday cake? Yes.
So here we have the caramel macchiato, the salted caramel, sneak attack, PB overload, lemon bar, and the infamous birthday cake. The lemon bar. Mmm. It's like a Savannah smile.
That's what I thought.
That's not bad.
You want to try that?
It's like a bun bitty cookie.
Mm-hmm. She tried the birthday cake. Try this.
I already smell it being lemony.
You tried the lemon bar, babe.
Ah, it's a Savannah smile.
Oh yeah,
Mm-hmm.
it's good.
Shall we try these ones over here? I have a cookie tasting.
When Girl Scout cookies are out of season, you can just get that.
Mm-hmm. Which one do you like better so far?
I like both. Well, I mean, the lemon bar is just like a Savannah smile.
Okay.
I'm so sleepy. I like the birthday cake though.
Try this caramel macchiato. This one is fancy.
I
Pretty
those were
thick.
eggs in there.
And then they have marshmallows.
Oh, I thought it was like a
There was
breakfast
one-
cookie. 'Cause
The Cadbury egg one, the Easter egg.
Oh, I didn't see that.
I was thinking about getting that one.
Okay. Very doughy.
What is that one? Caramel macchiato.
Mm. Put the marshmallows. Oh.
Oh, your battery's dying.
that's a lot of dough.
I like it.
It's alright.
Good.
Mm-hmm.
Good.
What you doing over there?
Grading papers.
How's the chair you're sitting on?
Good.
Could be a lot more comfier, huh?
Mm-hmm.
This is our Friday night in. I got my vlogs on, some cookies, some decaf best drink ever, the honey bear, and I'm in my bed. Pretty comfy Friday night. I have to wake up at 5 in the morning to drop my dad off at the airport, so that's gonna be a little pain, but not so much. Hopefully it's not pouring rain, right?
Mm-hmm.
But that's the end of our night. That's gonna be the end of our night. This is all we're doing. We're not even watching a movie, I think. But we're calling it a night. So, good night. Would you like to say good night?
Okay, good night.